At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in Maryland involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you get started. 1. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with Maryland's naming requirements. The name must include Limited Liability Company or an abbreviation like LLC or LLC. Additionally, the name shouldn't be already in use by another business in Maryland. You can check the availability of your desired name on the Maryland Department of Assessments and Taxation website. 2. Appoint a registered agent. You'll need to designate a registered agent for your LLC who will receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the company. The agent must have a physical address in Maryland. 3. File Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the Maryland Department of Assessments and Taxation. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes basic information such as the LLC's name, address, registered agent details, and the names and addresses of the LLC's organizers. You can file online or by mail. 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by Maryland law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership and management structure of the company, as well as the rights and responsibilities of the members. 5. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is essentially a social security number for your business and is required for federal tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN online on the IRS website. 6. Register for state taxes. Depending on your LLC's activities and structure, you may need to register for certain state taxes. This could include sales tax, withholding tax, or other business taxes. You can register for these taxes through the Maryland Comptroller's Office. 7. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your business activities, you may need to obtain licenses or permits from the state, county, or local government. Check with the Maryland Department of Commerce or local authorities to determine what permits and licenses you need. 8. Annual reports. LLCs in Maryland are required to file an annual report with the Department of Assessments and Taxation. This report updates the state on the LLC's contact information and is due by April 15th each year. 9. Comply with other regulatory requirements. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to comply with other federal, state, and local regulations. This could include zoning laws, environmental regulations, or industry-specific requirements. It's often a good idea to consult with a business attorney or a professional service provider to ensure that you're completing all the necessary steps correctly and in compliance with the law. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.